Hey there, it's Stu Sterling here over in Japan. Thanks for checking out this little tutorial about how to watermark videos. So let's get straight into it and I'll teach you how I do watermarking on videos. Okay, so about a week ago I released a package of videos with PLR, and these are unbranded. Okay, so I highly recommend that you brand them with your logo as a watermark, and also add either an intro clip or an outro clip to the end of the video as well, to give you more branding. So that's what I've been doing with my own videos. Okay, I'm planning to use them, upload them to YouTube, and that's how I recommend that you use these as well. So right here, this is the folder that you would have received. Okay, all of the videos, the unbranded videos, are in a folder like this. So what I've done is I've added my logo into the folder, and I've added an outro little short clip also into the folder, and this is what I'm adding to the videos. I've also created another folder inside this folder called My Copies, and I'm using Camtasia to watermark and create my own branded versions of these videos. So in Camtasia, this is an older version of Camtasia, I think it's Camtasia 6, but all versions of Camtasia, well, all versions after this version I would assume can do the same kind of thing. So basically you want to upload the video that you're rebranding into your clip bin, as well as the outro video clip. So you can do that by importing media files through here, and then it's a matter of dragging them. I've always put the outro at the end. You know, I drag the video down here at the start, and I've also got my logo here as a watermark. Now to do this, first of all you need a PNG image of your logo in PNG format with a transparent background. Okay, and then you can add your logo as a call out. Okay, what you want to do is create a new call out. Now there'll be a bunch of like preset call outs here, like highlighters, blur, arrows and stuff, but you want to make a custom call out and then select your logo here. So you know, you can click on new custom call out, select your logo, and then click OK. And then when it comes to adding that call out, you'll be able to find it at the bottom here, your logo, and then it's a matter of selecting that. And then so I've added it twice, I can get rid of one. So when it's highlighted, you can change the size, you can change the location or the position of it as well. Okay, one other thing is change the opacity. So you know, you can have it no opacity, you know, solid colors, down to very with a lot of opacity, almost see-through, but I had it at 65, which is what I like. You know, it's up to you how you do that. Once you've got it set, maybe make it a little bit smaller there. Okay, and once you've got it set there, it's a matter of then producing the video. Okay, I've already done this one, but you produce that video, save it in a new folder called My Copies, and all of these copies will be branded with your logo and an outro video clip, and then it will be ready to upload to your YouTube channel or wherever else you want to upload it to. Okay, so it's pretty simple if you got Camtasia like that. If you don't have Camtasia, you can do similar things with Windows Movie Maker. Okay, I don't think they have call outs and, you know, the ability to adjust the opacity, but you can add text and you can add images as well over the top of videos in Windows Movie Maker, which should be on your Windows PC from the box. You shouldn't have to download it or anything. There are some online free video editing softwares that you can sign up for and start using online. You don't have to download anything. They're okay as well, but Camtasia makes it easy. If you don't have Camtasia, then try one of the other options. But that's just a basic run through of how to do it. If you want a custom video clip, you can make it yourself if you've got like a video creation tool like Video Maker FX, which is what I use to create just a quick 17-second outro clip. Or you can head over to Fiverr.com, pay about $10, and you can get your own custom outro clip with whatever you want to say on it. Alright, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you, and it's how to watermark and brand multiple videos in a row, so you can save a lot of time without having to start again every single time. So in the last part, I showed you how to waterbrand one of the videos, not watermark. So I'm going to show you how you can simply just replace the video file in here and keep everything else the same, and it will help you do it a lot more quickly when you have a lot of videos. Okay, so what you do, you don't start a new project or anything like that. You keep everything as it is, because you want to keep the outro clip and you want to keep the call out, which is your logo right there, right, as a watermark. So all you need to do is go and import the next video in the series, which in my case it's number 12, and I hope it's gonna work. Yeah, so I can just drag that down to the front where it is, and the next thing is you can drag the call out underneath the new video and then get rid of that one, and it doesn't have any fade in or fade out, but that's okay. So there it is. It took me like 5 seconds just to replace that video, drag that call out there and get rid of the old, the previous video file. And now I'm ready to save this as a new project. I recommend you save each one as a new project. So if you stuff up and you want to do it again, you have the project file. It's just good preventative measures. So now that's that project saved, I can go and produce it. Always produce as HD. Okay, give the video a title. In this case, it's use forums to build your audience. I don't organize in subfolders. Finish, and then it will go and produce these videos for me. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so when this one's finished, go and repeat that process. Just replace that video file and you can get through all of them really fast. Alright, so I hope this little tutorial has helped you a little bit. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, good luck and stick around for some more videos. Thanks. I'm Stu Sterling. See ya.